we have now discussed what is happening if you have a special income as a capital gains. Yes, where we told capital gains will be split into 4 items: long term 112A, long term 112, short term 111A, short term others. We gave the tax rates and then we told about rebate. I'm moving to the next one called as surcharge. Income tax came and said, boss, if you have a total income where you have the special incomes, no problem, because you are still rich. You have to pay surcharge. What are the limits? 50 lakhs kamala, 10%, 1 crore kamala, 15%, 2 crores kamala, 25. If you are in the alternate regime, 5 crores kamala, 37. Yes or no? Yes. Now what happened is, I told you back in 2019, 2020 is when they introduced this 25 and 37. 2019, yeah. Back in 2019 they introduced the 25 and 37. Yes or no? Back in 2019 they introduced the 25 and 37, and I told you all the rich people became upset. They stopped investing. Market fell into recession. Yes, that time regime was not the only thing which was introduced. First of all, government came and said, boss, I have to take care of the rich people also. Because rich people are now making a fuss because I introduced 25 and 37. Because of which rich people are now taking away the money from market. And it is causing me a problem. Who? Government. It is causing me a problem. Who am I? I am the government. So government came and said, okay boss, let me do one thing. The 25 and 37 which is there, I will not levy this 25 and 37 on a share market income. I will not levy the 25 and 37 on a share market income. In our example, what are our share market incomes? 112A, 111A. Yes or no? Yes. So government came and said, boss, any income which you have, I don't mind. You have to follow the normal surcharges. But if you have any share market income, don't pay the 25 and 37. Which means you still have to pay 15. You will not be allowed to, not be required to pay 25 and 37. Purida. Yes. So government came and said, boss, whatever share market income you have, I don't want you to pay 25 and 37, but I still want you to pay 15. What am I talking about? Tax or surcharge? Surcharge. I am talking about surcharge. Clear, not clear? Yes. This is what happened in 2019. Years passed. 2022. We went to the government and we came and said, sir, why should share market income only have all the fun? There is one more item which is not very recurring, called as 112. Yes or no? That is also not very recurring. So last year what they did is, they came and said, okay boss, no problem, even 112 will not be required for 25 and 37, will also not be required for 25 and 37. Yes or no? So what happened is, in summary, we came and said, boss, any capital gains which you have, except for the Finance Act capital gain, every capital gain which you have going forward, I do not want a surcharge more than 15. Balance items you can put a surcharge whatever you want. For these 3 items, I don't want a surcharge more than 15%. Clear, not clear? Yes. How to do it? We'll do it. Right now, this is what the logic is. But it did not stop there. Please understand. I am telling that as a rich person, I stopped investing. Which means any share market income will not come to me. What kind of share market income can you think of? One is that I told you, capital gains. If you are selling your shares, you will get a gains. Yes. If you don't sell your shares, you will get something called as dividends. Yes or no? If you have stopped investing, dividends will also not come. Yes or no? So they came and said, boss, this 3 alone is not enough. I'll give you one more income called as called as dividends, or dividends also I don't want. Surcharge of 25 or 37. I don't want a surcharge of 25 and 37, which means dividends also I will now ask for surcharge of only 15%. I'll ask only 15%. So there are 4 incomes now. Income number 1 is 112A, 112, 111A, dividend income. These 4 incomes, maximum surcharge which you can levy is 15. You cannot levy more than 15. Whether you are in new regime or old regime, it doesn't matter, because in both the regimes 25 is still there. So I will not ask you to levy anything more than 15. Clear, not clear? Everyone? Yes. So which means in this table, if I have to put the surcharge now, put your table here. Table vecha pen kaano. In this table, if I have to put the surcharge, LTCG 112A, maximum surcharge which you can levy is, it will range from 0 to 15. If it is 112, it will range from 0 to 15. If it is 111A, it will range from, if it is Finance Act, it will range from, very good, it will range from 0 to 37. Clear, not clear? Yes. Rahul, how does this work? Let's take an example once again. You are a resident of age 36 years. I don't know why I feel 30s are always a good age. I'm still 25, so it's okay. Yes, I'm a resident with an age 36. Let's assume that my PGBP income is given to you as 2,46,50,000. How much? 2,46,50,000. And then I found out my LTCG under section 112. Not 112A, 112. I found that my LTCG under 112 is 1 crore. How much? 1 crore. This is all the facts are. What is my total income? 3,46,50,000. This is what my total income is. I told you step number 1, always find out your total income. Step number 2, always check for rich, poor, middle class. You are rich. With the surcharge rate of, check, what is total income? Total income is 3,46,00,000, falls within the range of 2 to 5, which means 25. Yes or no? This is what is happening. So you now have a surcharge of 25. What will I do first? Split into normal and special. Which of the two is special? 112 is special. On this 112, I will do tax at the rate of 20%. Very good. 1 crore into 20% is 20 lakhs. 1 crore into 20% is 20 lakhs. Come to the left side. Income is 2 crore 46,50,000. This I have to do as per slab rates. As per slab rates, I will have 2 options whether I can choose default or alternate. You want to choose default. Let's choose default, which means up to 15 lakhs. Number is 1,50,000. Balance 2 crore 31,50,000 at the rate of 30%. Number is 69,45,000. 69,45,000. Yes. So what is my total tax on this? 70,95,000. And here it is 20 lakhs. Clear till here. Now these two are your basic tax. Since you are rich, you now have to levy surcharge. Looking at the left side. Left side is my normal income. Surcharge rate can go up to 37. This is at a rate of 25. 5. So I will levy surcharge of 25%. Number is 17 lakh 73,750. 17 lakh 73,750. Come to the right side. Come to the right side. On the right side, you now have a special income. You now have a special income which the rich people have a problem with. So government came and said, I will levy maximum 15. So I will levy surcharge at the rate of 15% on 20 lakhs. Number will become 3 lakhs. Purida Purilia. Everyone. Yes, total numbers. 80, 68, 750. This will become 23. Is my question over? No, why? Cess is pending. Is cess common for both? So what you can do? Add the numbers. Number is 1 crore, 11 lakhs, 68,750. On this I will levy H10 education cess at the rate of 4%. Number is 446,750. Total becomes 18,000, 58,000, 15,500. Some number ma. 1 crore, 16 lakh, 15,000. Purida. Yes, this model will work in any logic. If this was 112A in the, then also it would have been the same thing. Yes, you would have done 10% in excess of 1 lakh and surcharge would be 15. If it was 111A also, you would have done 15% and then 15. Logic will still remain the same. Logic will change a little bit when it is dividend income. Why change, what change and all? 9 questions. I will not tell. There we will discuss. Not a part of my thing. Okay. We will discuss when you do the 9 questions. Right now, this is what the simplest logic is. Any doubts here? No? Can you take it down? Take it down. Varanda. Avasarapadadu. Done, everyone? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I have something in mind. Okay, I'm just going to put numbers. Tell me if it makes sense. Tell me if it makes sense. Let's say you are a resident. Age is 26. What are you? You are a resident. Age is 26. I looked at your income statements. I found that your PGBP income is showing 1 crore 85 lakhs. How much is it showing? 1 crore 85 lakhs. Then I looked at your other incomes. I found that you have a 112 income. The income is 60 lakhs. How much is my income? 60 lakhs. Yes or no? Yes or no? Total this. What is the number? 2 lakhs, sir. 2 crore 45 lakhs. Yes or no? My income is showing 2 crore 45. No problem with this. No problem with this, because I know now I am rich. I know I am rich. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, what is happening is I need to compute my taxes. So I split into two, called as normal and special. Normal and special. Now, I know the special. Special is 60 lakhs at the rate of 20%. Number is 12 lakhs. 62 is 12 only now. So therefore, tax on 112 is 12 lakhs. Tax on 112 is 12 lakhs. No doubts about it. No doubts about it. Coming to the here. What is my balance? 1 crore 85. 1 crore 85. Normal, default. What do you want to choose? Until last batch, everyone used to come and say, Rahul, default is very ugly. We don't want to do default. We'll do only normal. Default and multiple slabs irukla. Onnona podradhu kashtam. Anyway, balance is 1 crore 70 lakhs at the rate of number 51 lakhs. Total becomes 52 lakh 50,000. Here the tax is 12 lakhs. Here the tax is 12 lakhs. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now. Looking at my basic taxes, I know there is a surcharge coming because I am rich. Now at any given point of time, my surcharge cannot go beyond 15. My surcharge cannot go beyond 15 for 112. So there is no problem. Here I can directly put a surcharge at the rate of number 1,80,000. Here also have to put a surcharge at the rate of 515. What is below 2 crores? 5. Number 5 padichade illama. See, you have two things. Either the surcharge is 15 or the surcharge is 25. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, if you remember when I told surcharge, I said if the total income goes beyond 2 crores, surcharge is 25. If the total income goes beyond 2 crores, surcharge is 25. My total income is 2 crores 45 lakhs. My total income is 2 crores 45 lakhs. So technically I should have a 25. Yes or no? Technically. But I am the rich guy or the poor guy? I have better control, no control. Better control. I have the better control. I went to the government and I came and said, sir, you told me that my other income will be 15. My special key will give me 15. Which means you are technically telling me to keep it aside. But then for computing this, you are telling me to take that 10. Adi eppadi? Yes or no? You came and said, Rahul, those incomes are special incomes. Adukku mela 15 da varum. So I put 15. Now you itself parked it aside. No. Did you park it aside? Not park it aside. You itself parked it aside. When you have automatically parked it aside, for the computing surcharge of this, you are coming and telling me to add it back. How? I will not pay. Correct or not? Correct or not? Had this income not come to me itself, had the 112 not come to me itself, my total income would have been 1 crore 85. I would have been liable for 15. Why the hell should I pay 25 then? Hey, the badal correct dana. The badal correct dana. If I did not have this income, I would have had 15. Just because I have this income, I am having 25. Why do you think I will pay 25? Will I pay, not pay? Will I pay, not pay? Will I pay, not pay? Not pay. I will not pay. When I say I will not pay, it doesn't mean that I will not pay at all. I will come and say him that, sir, do one thing. Remove the income. Do one thing. Remove the income. If you remove the income, my income will become 1 crore 85. 1 crore 85. If my income becomes 1 crore 85, my surcharge would be, I will only like to pay. So I will only pay 15. I will only pay 15. Purida Puridia. Yes. In simple words, they are coming and saying, boss, if because of the special incomes, what special incomes? 1 2A 2 1 money. Because of these 4 special incomes, if my income goes to a next slab, only because of these 4 incomes, if my income is going to the next slab, I will not pay the extra surcharge. I will like to bare minimum pay 15 only. Purida Purilia. Logic clear? Yes. Here it will become 15 number. 7 lakh 87,500 total. 60 lakh 37,500. Right side will become 13 lakh 80,000. 13 lakh 80,000. Add both. 74 lakh 17,500. You will add cess at the rate of number total. $77,14,200. Clear, everyone? Yes. Yes. Don't note it down. I'll do one more question and then we'll discuss it again. Right now, this is what your tax is. Any doubts here? No. No. Sure. 100%. Yes. Okay. Look at this scenario. I am a resident 48 years. Okay. I looked at my income statements. My income statement says a PGBP income of 1 crore. How much? 1 crore. My LTCG under section 112A is given as 2 crores. How much? 2 crores. Then my LTCG under section 112 is given as 1 crore 50 lakhs. 1 crore 50 lakhs. Clear till here? What is my total? 4 crore 50 lakhs. Am I rich, poor, middle class? I am rich. In which I have two problems. One problem is that out of the 3 incomes, 2 incomes are special tax rate incomes. Out of the 3 incomes, 2 incomes are special incomes not eligible for higher surcharge. So there are 2 problems. Let's tackle this answer. What is my income? 4 crore 50. Step number 1 is to total. I have done that. Step number 2 is to identify specials and normal. Which are specials? 112A and 112 is special. Yes or no? So I'm going to split into special and then normal. Special and normal. If I am coming to special, I have 2 kinds of income. One is tax on 112A. 10% in excess of 1 lakh. 2 crores is my income. 1 lakh reduced 1 crore 99 lakhs. 1 crore 99 lakhs into 10% will become 19 lakh 90,000. Yes or no? Hey, for those who are thinking, Rahul, 2 crores income, I have to reduce 1, it will become 1 crore income, adhika mela 10%. Correct? No? It is not 1 crore into 10%. Numbers are confusing, don't worry. Okay, you have to reduce 1 lakh, don't reduce of 1 crore itself. You have to reduce 1 lakh, it will become 1 crore 99 lakhs into 10% will become 19 lakh 90,000. Then you have a 112 income of 1 crore 50 into 30. Oh, sorry. You have a 112 of 1 crore 50 at the rate of 20%, number is 30 lakhs. Number is 30 lakhs. Total this to 49 lakh 90,000. 49 lakh 90,000. Come to the right side. My income is 1 crore. My income is 1 crore. On this, I will do a tax of, first, let's do alternate regime. Okay. Nariya default panittom. Let's do one alternate. Tax on first 10 lakhs will become 1 lakh 12,500. Balance 90 lakhs at the rate of 30%, number is 27 lakhs. Total becomes 28 lakhs 12,500. Okay, till here you have found out your basic taxes. Till here you have found out your basic taxes. Now I need to find out my surcharge. Think about it carefully. What is my total income? 4 crore 50 lakhs. What is my total income? 4 crore 50 lakhs. The moment my total income became 4 crore 50 lakhs, assuming the provisions were not there, my surcharge would have been 25. My surcharge would have been 25. Will I pay 25? No. I will only pay maximum 15. I'll pay maximum 15. So for my special incomes, I will directly come and say 15%. No doubts. Number is 748,500. 748,500. Problem comes for my other income. Look at my other income. My other income is 1 crore. My surcharge on that would be. That is what you will think, right? That is what we will think. Assuming, Rahul, you ignore the special incomes, your income would have been 1 crore. You should have paid surcharge of 10%. Yes or no? But think about it logically. I am trying to not to impose them beyond my new change. My change that time was to increase 25 and 37. Did I change 15 that time? No. Had 25 and 37 not be there, I would have still asked him to pay tax of 15. Yes or no? That year when I introduced the amendment, I told boss you have to make an additional surcharge of 25 and 37. Assume that provision was not there. My total income would have been 4 crore 50. On the whole thing, I would have paid a surcharge of 15%. Yes or no? Just because I have brought in an amendment right now, can I make that 1510? Government will come and say, hey, you had a problem with 25 and 37. Did you have a problem with 15? Then can you ask him to make it to 10? He will come and say, sir, you told me you have a problem with 25, 37. I removed 25 and 37. You never told me you have a problem with 15. How can you come to me today and ask for 10? Yes or no? You bare minimum have to pay me 15. Yes or no? So he came and said, Rahul, I cannot give you 10. I can only give you 15. So this will become 15. The logic is very simple. They are coming and saying, Rahul, I am trying to not impose you the 25 and 37. I have never told you that I will not levy 15. So I bare minimum want 15. I bare minimum want 15. In simple terms, the moment your total income goes beyond 2 crores, the moment your total income goes beyond 2 crores, bare minimum 15 mandatory. Whether you talk about special, whether you talk about normal, special air can be 15 da poda pora. Normal also minimum I want 15. Adukku mela if it goes you can ask 25. Adukku mela if it goes you can ask 37. You can ask 37, but I will not bring it down to 10. I will not bring it down to 10. Purida puriliya. Yes, that is why if you notice the first example. Where is it? If you notice this first example, what was my income? ingada pochu idu eldirpingla idu naanglo fast ah irpomo load aag matigdu. What was my income here? It was 2 crore 46 lakh 50,000 and then my capital gains was something. Check, no? My PGBP was 2 crore 46 lakh 50,000. My other income was 1 crore. My other income was 1 crore. Totally my income became 3 crore 46. My income became 3 crore 46. The moment my income went beyond 2 crores, bare minimum 15 is mandatory. So therefore I came and said, boss, for my LTCG 15 போட்டு தான் ஆகணும். 15 போட்டு தான் ஆகணும். மிச்ச income can adjust. Standalone பார்க்கும்போது how much it was? It was more than 2 crores. So what I told is minimum I have to pay 15. ஆனா standalone பார்க்கும்போது அதுவே 2 crores க்கு மேல இருக்கு. So therefore I am asking for 25. Therefore I am asking for a 25 there. புரியுதா புரியலையா? Sure. Yes. This is what the logic is. Let's do one thing. I have a table. We will answer that table and then we will do the sums. Okay? And the sums you copy panla. So we'll answer the table and then we'll come back to the sums. Come back to your book. In your book, chapter number 2, second page. In your book, chapter number 2, second page. Yes, read the first heading. It says, enhanced surcharge of 25 and 37, which is introduced, shall not be applicable for the following cases. What are the 4 cases? LTCG under 112, 112A, 111A, dividend income. On these incomes, maximum surcharge is 15%. On these incomes, maximum surcharge is 15%. Now, this is what we normally learned. Then what I told you, because of these incomes, if my slab changes, I will not consider them. But at the same time, I still have to pay bare minimum 15. That is what is written here. Further, while determining the surcharge rate applicable on other income, what is other income? Excluding that 4. Specified income shall be considered only if the total income is up to 2 crores. The 2 crores varaikum inda no problem. Yes, because then what will happen? You will bare minimum pay 15. 2 crores ku mela pochana 25. 5 crores ku mela pochana 37. In case the total income exceeds 2 crores, surcharge rate on other income will be determined excluding the specified income which is exceeding it by 2 crores. If my other income, ignoring these incomes, standalone basis is going beyond 2 crores, ask for 25. If it is going beyond 5 crores, ask for 37. If it is anything less than 2 crores, you still have to bare minimum pay 15%. Purida puriliya. Yes. For a simplicity sake, I have prepared a table. Let's look at the chart properly. I told you these provisions are only for 25 and 37. Which means these provisions will only kick in if your total income is above 2 crores. Assume your total income is less than 2 crores. You're normally a rich person. I'm not denying it. But unoda motta income 2 crores kila irukna, maximum surcharge itself which you will have is 15 only. In that case, do I have to split both and check? Not required. So what I'm doing is I'm telling, if my total income is less than 2 crores, If my total income is less than 2 crores, I don't need to do the split. Now, motta income சேர்ந்து வெச்சு பார்த்தாலும் ஒண்ணும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what I'll do, if my total income is less than 2 crores, what are the slabs which I'll have? 0 to 50 lakhs. On that, surcharge will be 50 lakhs to 1 crore, surcharge will be 10. 1 crore to 2 crore, surcharge will be 15%. About 2 crores. Varave varadu. What did I tell just now? What did I tell just now? Your total income is less than 2 crores. Yes or no? Yes or no? In simple words, if my total income does not go beyond 2 crores, in the provisions ku logic illa. Because 25 anyway varapordilla. So therefore what I can do, I don't need to split. I can consider both together and check my total income as it is. And check my total income as it is. If my total income as it is less than 50 lakhs, surcharge will be. If my total income is more than 50 lakhs up to 1 crore, surcharge will be 10%. If my total income is more than 1 crore, less than 2 crore, surcharge will be 15%. Rahul, what are you talking about? What we did yesterday? And yesterday adha dana pannom. Motta total income edthom, total income ku mela direct 10, direct 15. Adha dana pannom. Yes or no? Yes, same logic. Same logic. The problem comes when your total income goes beyond 2 crores. When your total income is going beyond 2 crores. If your total income goes beyond 2 crores, now I have to split into 4 income and others. Into 4 income and others. And the 4 income minimum surcharge will always be 15. Maximum surcharge will also be 15. Which means ore or surcharge varum, which is 15. Yes or no? Yes. For my other income, what will I do? I will take minimum surcharge as 15. But other standalone 2 crores ku mela pochuna 25. Other standalone 5 crores ku mela pochuna 37. Purida puriliya. Sure. Table padi. Check the table.
Sir, can you please explain this again, sir?
I'll do it, ma. Just look at the table once.
Yeah, thank you.
In your books, ma, not on the screen. Look at the table in your books. On your books. There's nothing on the screen. On your books. Okay. Let's not mug it up, people. There's no point of mugging it up and all. Okay, there's way too much things to mug up. When you come to next chapter and all, I'll tell you what to mug up. Let's understand this logically. There's nothing to mug up. Okay. I'll give you two options. One option is to use my table. Second option is to follow ICI method. I'm going to read what ICI has done. Okay. Same what I've written, ICI have done. But their English is a little different. Let's see if you understand their English over my English. Okay. It says, where the total income including dividend income and capital gains chargeable to 111A, 112A, 112 is greater than 50 lakhs or less than 1 crore, surcharge is 10. Then where the total income including dividend, capital gain, whatever it is greater than 1 crore but less than 2 crore, 15. Okay, till here no problem, till here no problem. Then where total income excluding what மேல ரெண்டு என்ன இருந்தது, இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, where total income excluding dividend income and capital gains is greater than 2 crores 25, then the rate of tax for dividend and capital gains will be 15. Then where total income including dividend, one second, நானும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிட்டேன். இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, including, என்ன இருக்கு including, இங்க என்ன இருக்கு excluding, அதுக்கப்புறம் where total income including dividend and capital gains is greater than 2 crores in cases not covered in 3 above. அப்படினா சரி, இதோ worst, இங்க வாங்க, that was the default regime, this is இன்னும் worst, வாங்க, where total income including 10%, where total income including greater than 1 crore less than 2 crores 15, then where total income excluding dividend and capital gains 25, where total income excluding more than 2 crores 37, then where total income including dividend is greater than 2 crores not covered 15. What do you want to try? What do you want to try? You want to understand including, excluding? No, huh? Let's understand what they've done. Let's understand what they've done. Look at the top. Look at the top. What is there? Where total income including all the special incomes is less than is greater than 50 lakhs, is greater than 50 lakhs up to 1 crore. What they're coming and saying is, boss, my total income itself is less than 1 crore. If my total income itself is less than 1 crore, do I have to split? Do I have to split? No, I'm not going to split. I will take the total income as it is and I will take my surcharge rate, which is 10%. Then they're coming and saying, Rahul, if my total income including my 4 special incomes is greater than 1 crore less than 2 crores, same logic, total income is less than 2 crores, do we have to split? Not split, not split, don't split. If you're don't splitting, your income is more than 1 crore less than 2 crores, surcharge will be machacha. Yes, next, where total income excluding dividend income and capital gains of 4 is greater than 2 crores but less than 5 crores. What is now happening? Your total income is more than 2 crores. You have split, and they're coming and saying, after you split, you looked at your other income is more than 2 crores and less than 5 crores. If your other income is more than 2 crores and less than 5 crores, you on a standalone basis will put a surcharge of 25. At the same time, for any of your special incomes, you will put 15. Machacha. Next, where the total income excluding the 4 special incomes is greater than 5 crores. I have taken my total income is more than 2 crores. In that, I have done a split. Split பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தாலும் standalone basis my other income is showing 5 crores. Therefore, my surcharge will become 37, but my special will be 15. Match acha ilya? Yes. Now in your chart there is only one item which is missing. Check. What is it? It is my total income exceeding 2 crores. I have done a split. And my income on a standalone basis is less than 2 crores. Check. And the scenario irka. We already discussed about the 25 scenario. We already discussed about the 37 scenario. We already discussed about the 15 and 10 scenario. There is only one scenario which is missing on your book. Where total income is more than 2 crores. You have come to the left side. You have come to the left side. In the left side, I have split into special incomes and other incomes. Special incomes I have told always 15, so no problem. Other incomes, there are 3 splits. One split is more than 2 crores. One split is more than 5 crores. Adu naanga pesitom. There is one last split left. Less than 2 crores. Irka ilya? Yes. For that I have come and told it is always. Adha in the scenario. அதுதான் இந்த scenario. Your total income is more than 2 crores. Your total income is more than 2 crores. ஆனா இந்த இன்கம் மட்டும் ஸ்டாண்ட் அலோன் பார்க்கும்போது 2 கோடிக்கு மேல இல்ல, 2 கோடிக்கு மேல இல்ல. இருந்தாலும் மினிமம் சர்சார்ஜஸ் 15. You cannot come down to 10 or 0. You cannot come down to 10 or 0. You minimum have to pay 15. அதான் அவங்க சொல்றாங்க. If it is எங்க இருக்கு கீழ போச்சா, if it is a case where the income overall is more than 2 crores, by the income overall is more than 2 crores, but the income on a standalone basis is not more than 2 crores or not more than 5 crores, which means it will be less than 2 crores. It will be less than 2 crores. Bare minimum 15 has to be paid. Bare minimum 15 has to be paid. Same logic, better presentation. Same logic, better presentation. Rahul, I don't trust you. We cannot write that English. We have to write only this English. வெச்சுக்கோ, எனக்கு பிரச்சனை இல்ல. Your choice. Okay, உனக்கு என்ன இங்கிலீஷ் சூட் ஆகுதோ நீ எழுதிக்கோ, கடைசில மார்க் வரணும், முடிஞ்சா. Clear? Yes, you can either use that chart or you can use this chart. This is how income tax is actually given. So the ICA is not in the mistake here. When income tax prepared the law itself, they gave it like this only. So what ICA did? They copy pasted. They copy pasted. They will not use their head and all, no? So they copy pasted. Okay, and then they expect all inter students and all. You should know what laws is. You should know what including, what excluding, what not cases and all is covered. So you read on your own. Yes or no? Yes or no? You can use my chart. Makes sense. Okay, what is this including excluding only? அந்த டேபிளுக்கு மேல ஒரு பேரா போட்டுருப்பேன். டேபிளுக்கு மேல இருக்குது பேரா தான் அந்த including excluding, வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. ஓகே, இங்க including excluding யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, நான் ஒரு பேராவை போட்டுட்டேன் so that இங்கிலீஷ் புரியும், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. கிளியரா? Yes, to understand this better, there are some sums in the middle. கீழ ஒரு டேபிள் இருக்கா? Yes, we're going to do the whole table. We're going to do the whole table. You're going to help me with the table. Yes? Yes, let's do the table. Let's do the table. இந்த டேபிளுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட புரியலனா பாத்துடலாம். Okay? Just in case people don't see it. Yes, this is what your scenarios are. This is what your scenarios are. You are going to tell me what surcharge to use. You are going to tell me what surcharge to use. Look at the first scenario. I am telling my specified income. Hey, all these numbers are in lakhs, I am assuming. Yes, sir. Yes, all the numbers are in lakhs. So what has happened? I have told my specified income, meaning 112A, 112, 111A, dividend income. These are my 4 cases. Yes, my 4 cases today is showing an income of 15 lakhs. My other income is showing 25 lakhs. Totally my income is 40 lakhs. Totally itself my income is 40 lakhs. Am I rich, poor, middle class? Rich, poor, middle class? I am in middle class. My surcharge will be 0. 0 for what? Other income or specific income? Both. Now overall poor than now overall rich illa. Now overall rich illa nala no will be having surcharge. No will be having surcharge. Purida? Yes, same logic. Case number B. My special income is 15 lakhs. My other income is 75 lakhs. My total income is 90 lakhs. My total income itself is 90 lakhs. I am a rich person. I am a rich person. But if my total income itself is 90 lakhs, maximum I will have a surcharge of only 10. Am I going to 25 or 37? Am I going to 25, 37? No. I am only having a maximum of 10. Should I split? Should I split? Not required. So I can come and say for the whole 90 it is 10. When the whole 90 is 10, 15 is also 10, 75 is also. Yes or no? Sure. Now you understand what we are doing? Yes, case number C. Case number C. My total income, my special income is 15. My other income is 160. 160 now. 1 crore 60 lakhs. 1 crore 60 lakhs. My total income has become 1 crore. 1 crore 85. 1 crore 85. My overall total income is 1 crore 85. My overall surcharge would have been 15. Have I crossed 25? Have I crossed 25? No. Should I bother about this? No. Will I split or keep it together? Keep it together. If I keep it together, my income is 1 crore 85. Surcharge on that is 15. So 1 crore 85 will become 15. Special will become 15. Other will also become. Getting the hang of it? Yes. Look at the next scenario. Look at the next scenario. My special income is 15. My other income is 3 crore 95. Total is 4 crore 10 lakhs. My income is now 4 crore 10 lakhs. I am rich. and I am rich to the extent of 25%. I am rich to the extent of 25%. What will I do? Will I split? Not split. I will split. Will I check at 495 right now? No, I will only check for 15 and 395. 15 will be at a surcharge of 15. 395 standalone is more than 2 crores. So surcharge will become. Puridila? Sure. Anyone, any doubts here? Clear arga? Yes. Next scenario. Your special income is 15. Your other income is 565. Total is 580. I am super rich. I am super rich. If I am super rich, I need to split. I need to split into 15 and 565. 15 will be surcharge of 565 surcharges. Very good. Clear? Come back. I'm changing the scenarios now. My special income is 60. My other income is 30. Total income is. Am I rich? Yes. Am I very rich? No. Which means I need to keep it together. 90 together, surcharge will become 10%. If 90 is 10%, 60 is also 10%, 30 is also 10%. Hey Purida, at some places I am putting it on the right side and some places I am putting here only. Why? Because on the right side I am checking for total. On left side I am only checking for individuals. When am I doing that split? When the income goes beyond 2 crores. Yes or no? My special income is 60. My other income is 135. Total income is 185. Should I split to keep it together? If I am keeping it together, my income is less than 2 crores. Surcharge will be. If 185 is 15, 60 will be. 135 will be 15. Okay, 135 plus 60 is 195. Yes or no? Yes or no? Next. My special income is 60. My other income is 350. My total has become 410. Am I rich? Am I very rich or super rich? I am very rich. I am less than 5 crores. So I am very rich. I have to split. Split and check for 410 in the end. Under end check pannamodu 60 will become 15. Hey Rahul, why 60 is 15? For that 4 income, always 15. 350 will be. Why? Above 2 crores, less than 5 crores. So therefore it is 25. With me till here. Yes. Next, I case. You are 60, 520, 580. 60, 520, 580. Splitter, no splitter. Split 60 will become. 520 will become. Varadala. Huh? Next. You have 130 now. You have 130 now. You have 130 now. Special income is 130, which means special income is 1 crore 30 lakhs. Other income is 55. Total income is 1 crore 85. Split tevaya illiya? Not required, which means I am going to check 185. 185 will fall into. If 185 is falling into 15, 130 will fall into. 55 will fall into. Ipo 185 match agda? Okay, sir, parala. Yes, next. My income is 130. My other income is 280. Total has become 410. Am I very rich, super rich? I am very rich. When I am very rich, this 130 will be 15. 280 will be 25. Why? Standalone basis more than 2 crores. Yes or no? Yes. Next scenario. 130, 450, 580. If I am checking 580, I am super rich, very rich. I need to split. 130 will become 450. 25. Why? Standalone basis it is less than 5 crores. Yes or no? This one is the important part. While my overall income is super rich, I am still only very rich. Because of the fact that 130 is causing the problem for me to make it super rich. Had this 130 not been there, I would have been very rich. So I am only going to pay 25. I will not pay 37. I will not pay 37. Ippo purida? Yes sir. Yes. My special income is 220. 220 na? 2.2 crores. My special income is 2.2 crores. My other income is 1 crore 90. My total income is 4 crore 10. Am I super rich? Very rich. I am very rich. If I am very rich, I need to split. 220 will become 190. $15 or 25? 410, no. Standalone is, therefore bare minimum 15. Purida ippo? Yes. If you answer the other two, then you know. If you don't know, then you don't know. Okay. Other two important. Focus. Your special income is 220. Your other income is 360. My overall income is 580. I am super rich. If I am super rich, I need to split. I am checking 220. This becomes 15. 360. 360 is, it definitely cannot go to 15 because standalone itself it is more than 2 crores. But the question is, should I put 25 or 37? I will put 25 because standalone basis it is less than 5 crores. Standalone basis it is less than 5 crores. So this becomes 25. The logic is very simple. I will come and say, day, without this income it was 360. Without this income it was 360. Had that income not been there, I would have paid only 25. I will not pay 37. I will not pay 37. Clear? Clear. Last. Take a minute before you answer. Don't hurry. You are having a special income of 5 crore 25 lakhs. You are having another income of 55. Your total income is 580. Am I rich, super rich, very rich? I am super rich. So therefore I have to split. If I am splitting, 525 becomes 15. 55 will become 10 or 15 or? Sure, 100%. Rahul, 55 standalone is 10, no. 55 standalone is 10, no. I should pay 10, no. No. Why? I told you bare minimum is 15. You are anyway rich person. You never disputed about the 10%. You only disputed about the 25 and 37. I cannot ask you to come down to 10 just because of this provision. I will ask you to bare minimum pay 15%. I will ask you to bare minimum pay 15%. Ippo purida. Check the top now. Check the top now. If your other incomes, if your total income is exceeding 2 crores, split the TI into specified and others. Specified will always be 15. Others, if it is anything less than 2 crores, I don't care. It can be from 0 to 2. Adu 50 lakhs indalo okay, 1 crore indalo okay, 10 lakhs indalo okay. Minimum have to pay 15. The problem only starts when it goes beyond 2 crores standalone, then it is 25 and 37. Anything less than 2 crores, I have to pay 15. No doubts. You cannot come down to 10 or 0. You have to pay 15. You have to pay 15. Clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Yes. The same logic works here also. Understand this, no? Understand this scenario. Where is it? Yeah. Look at this, no? 220, 90, 410. 220, 90 and 410. My special income on a standalone basis is how much? 220. My special income on a standalone basis is 220. Can I come and say I want to pay 25? No, I will have to pay 15. Same scenario if you come here. Where is it? Here. 60, 520, 580. 60, 520, 580. If you look at specified income on a standalone basis, it is 60. That time did you ask for 10? Why? There you told 15, no? Anga mattu 10 கேக்கலையே. அங்க கேட்டிருக்கலாம்ல. You could have come and said, Rahul, split தான பண்ணிட்டேன். Split பண்ணும்போது special income க்கு நான் வந்துட்டு 10 கேட்பேன். கேப்பீங்களா? முடியாது. When here it is 15, this also has to be 15. That cannot become 10. Yes or no? Yes or no? Because I have told you bare minimum I want from you 15. I am only giving you a benefit on 25 and 37. I am only giving you a benefit on 25 and 37. Purida, Puriliya. Everyone. Yes.